Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Andreas Kebubun. I will give a review of Mr. Singhi's lesson plan and peer teaching video to fulfill the assignment of teaching receptive skills instructed by Mrs. Umiati Jawas. Alright, I have already read Mr. Singhi's lesson plan about teaching reading comprehension regarding procedure text, and I personally believe that his lesson plan is systematically structured, starting from pre-activities up to post-activity. What I mean here is that the lesson plan shows how he opens the class or teaching and learning process until he closes the meeting. His lesson plan clearly stated the identity of the school, material to be taught, and the time consumed for the lesson. He also obviously pointed out the learning goals as the main points to be achieved by the students, as well as the learning materials, that is procedure text about how to make perfect fried chicken. And for the learning activities, he divided into three parts. The first one is the pre-activities. The second one is while activities, and the last one is the post activities. However, I need to give several suggestions to add and remove in the while activities. I just want to add something for point D in understanding session for the critical thinking and communication. He should not only let the students themselves to understand about the procedure type of the text, but he should guide the students due to the students do not have the same capability to be able to understand the procedure text. And for the post activity, he should give assignment based on the process of teaching and learning that has just been experienced by the students. In this case, the assignment about asking the students to make the procedure type of text creatively is okay for me, but I suggest he could give also a particular procedure type of text which has been jumbled. I mean, the sentences has been jumbled, and then ask the students to rearrange the text to be a good procedure text. But for me, it's really really good lesson plan. I was proudly reading this lesson plan because it really helped the teacher to act in the classroom. And for the peer teaching video of reading comprehension by Mr. Singhi, he opened the class with the prayer according to the lesson plan, and then he checked the students' attendance. After that, he tried to brainstorm the students to guess the topic to be discussed by asking several questions. but I just want to suggest or another just want to suggest another question to be asked to lead the students to what is going to be learned is that maybe he could ask by questioning, do you know the steps of making fried chicken? I mean, by saying the word steps, it will help the students to guess the topic of learning, in this case, procedure text. In main activity, Mr. Singhi has done it very well by letting the students read the text out loud to check their mispronunciation of the difficult words and then ask them to find the difficult words to write it down, and then he pronounced the word correctly and asked the students to repeat it, and he did it very well. He also divided the students in pairs, I mean the group of two, to help the students answer the question based on the text given, and to help them to do the task, then present it individually in the classroom to know their ability one by one. For the post activity, he closed the lesson very well by asking the conclusion and reflection about the teaching and learning process. He did not forget to give the students homework by motivating them with a joke so the students want to do the task. In addition, I just want to suggest that as the teacher have to realize the students have to realize that the students have different intelligences, so he should not fully use English, but sometimes he could use Indonesian to help the other students who did not understand English well, focusing on the process of teaching and learning. Sorry, I did not see the use of LCD and slide presentation, as well as the marker and whiteboard as what has been stated in the lesson plan, so it's better to remove them from the lesson plan if he doesn't use them as the tools and utilities. I think that's all about my review of Mr. Singhi's lesson plan and peer teaching video. I do apologize for any mistake I have done through my comments. Thank you, Mr. Singhi. This really helps me as an English teacher to improve my life. Thank you.